Hatter Squusischa, Mshibziakwa. This is George Hewitt speaking from Yorkshire in the north of England, where I have been Abkhazia's honorary consul since 1993. I am delighted to have been invited to participate, albeit virtually, in the opening of the Foreign Ministry's Media Centre, because several of us have long felt that such an initiative should have been undertaken many years ago. In the age of 24-hour news services and instant mass communication, the importance of disseminating one's message for a country which suffered years of isolation following a destructive war, which remains poorly known to the outside world, and which is largely viewed, if viewed at all, through the distorting filter of a foreign power, cannot be emphasized too strongly. If putting Abkhazia's case has been an uphill task since I first chose to involve myself in the endeavor in 1989, one can only imagine how much more taxing it is likely to be in the turbulent times that now certainly lie ahead as a result of the way the world dramatically changed for reasons we all know, or ought to know, on the 24th of February. And so, Abkhazia and its representatives need to be prepared tirelessly to make and defend Abkhazia's case as a stable, fully fledged democratic state committed to the rule of law and to upholding the human rights, including language rights, of all who live within its borders. And I stress that this has to apply equally and in full measure to the Mingrelian population. I say this because their case is constantly raised by those seeking information about the internal dynamics of Abkhazia's ethnic relations. Ethnic relations also lie at the heart of a second, absolutely crucial question, which is Abkhazia's relationship with its immediate neighbors, of which Russia is one, but Georgia will always be the other. And in my opinion, it is time, now after the passage of 3 decades, to engage more widely with Tbilisi at all levels, not just within the framework of the Geneva negotiations, free of artificial, unhelpful restrictions. Not everyone may find this suggestion appealing, but talks must be the basis for reaching a final solution of the conflict. So there is much to do, and the sooner the work begins, the better. Here's to the success of the venture. Abziras.